radio, Aviance company, Prempeh I Airport. I'm a very grand handle. I'm so much more Kumasi, let me share Kumasi. All right, crew at Hana, let me check, let me give you some share. Radio, I'm a share. No, I'm not share. Said, no, so this is the also one. Now, Mark, MD for Aviance.
Good afternoon.
And Kyla, the director of operations, and the lawyer, patients. So, by swap, it's a Monday CTM. The Sahu days, business, not patients.
Otumfuo, can I ask for permission to speak English? Can I ask your cousin?
Please address the serious. Yes.
We came because we came to the land, and we know that when you go to a chief's house, you can't go empty-handed. So we have a token of a gift to bring to them. But I just want to read what it is so you can present to them. So this is for His Majesty. And this is for the Chief of Staff and his people. And this is for Chief of the Memphis. And this is for the attendants and security. And it as well. This is acceptable. Thank you.
This is such a nice I have concept of by so I'm going to do this. I'm going to be in my brown one day. And I won't go on one. I said, I want to do my so now the marketing is a bit. Then now lawyer. But I said, I'm a shell. They were not a better face. International airports. When I go very well. You'll be able to trade that and shit. But yeah, it's not really number one day. It's every number one day now. All you will share.
Can I know much about Aviance and its operations, please?
Thank you, Your Majesty. So Aviance is a Ghanaian company, and we're in the aviation sector for ground handling. We're currently in Accra and have been there for 30 years. And we humbly request permission to come to Kumasi, where we will attract more airlines and we will increase job employment as well. That is our main goal, to develop the Kumasi airport. We have people in Accra who come from Kumasi, so they will be moving back to Kumasi and creating more jobs. And it's for us and myself and Michaela, the director, is to increase business and bring airlines from Accra into the Kumasi region. Thank you.
Thank you and good afternoon.
Joe.
What do you expect when you come to a palace? Because every time there's always a preference.
Joe.
Thank you for coming this afternoon. I know Aviance is a worldwide company that does this ground airport and all that. So I expect that this new airport that we have now,
Joe.
all what we are seeking for is a good managed airport where
Joe.
it can attract investment, attract people to come in here, and also looking at how best this airport can be used to inure to the benefit of the development of Ashanti and the northern sector.
Joe.
And therefore, you in that industry will know that it takes not just an airport, but it goes with all what Aviance would do to make it look. So the reception, the planes coming, how do we attract more planes to come here?
Joe.
Therefore, various customers can come. How we then going to take it up in terms of exports from here and all that? Because it's not just an airport that I want.
Joe.
But then we need an airport that will be more operational to inure to the development of the economy of this side.
Joe.
Therefore, we will count on your experience and support and advice also in terms of what can be done to make this airport a more viable, more economically viable at the airport that will help in the development of this one.
John.
Passengers, I'm told we would get about what 800,000, 1 million a year. It might be able to increase if we run it properly, and it depends on the service that Aviance will be given.
John.
Planes landing, being received properly, getting the whatever the steps, all those things that you do for it for people to know that. So aircraft that will come here will be dependent on you, because if we don't have the facilities, they wouldn't come.
John.
We are yearning to have 737s and others to come. I'm sure the runways are also going to be extended.
John.
I'm told you know. So when that happens, and then we have only 2 gates now. We don't know whether, with your advice, if it is going on, we will be able to extend somehow, because I know there will be an extension at a point.
John.
So what you do in Accra is bigger, but Kumasi can also be big.
John.
The volumes from here, the travel volume from here is quite huge. 67% of travel people from here.
John.
Therefore, that's even a smaller airport for us, but we can start from somewhere.
John.
Therefore, Aviance, we look up to you to be able to, even private visitors coming with private planes and all those things, how the reception will be, the clearance and everything are all something that I look up to you to help us to.
John.
You're welcome, you have the experience, and therefore we know that you can handle this also. So we pray so. But if there are any problems, we are here, let us know. If there's anything that we can support you,
John.
not hesitate to do that for you. So thank you very much for coming.
John.
Introduce yourself. Once a while, maybe I'll sneak through to the airport to see what's happening. And I'll see the Aviance signal somewhere like everywhere. And let me feel that I have an international airport. But when I see the signs with Aviance and everything, then I'm welcome to an international airport. So
John.
let me feel it.
John.
Thank you.
So,